Hey guys, it's Ferdinand Dandy here, and I am back to this channel, the DR100W concept for the Class D power amplifier. Guys, I apologize for not updating my channels. It looks like it has been like 18 months without any update, simply because of the reason that in my current place right now, my job site, they have tightened the security matters to restrict Google access, including YouTube. In that 18 months of YouTube time off, there were good things happen. One of which is that I able to improve my blog content by adding variety of real life events. One of which is to cover the greatest show on earth, the Maker Faire. Well, it's for fun. I did that voluntarily, and it's absolutely free. Indeed, I actually showcased this project, DR100W conCEPT, in the Manila Mini Maker Faire in 2018. Take a look at it. I also updated my electronics hobby with a series of demos for the hardware, mechanical casing build, software tutorial for the legendary Intel 8051 core, and also with the Arduino solution for my other project like the Class A MOSFET power amplifier, the Class AB power amplifier, and also I indulge with something of the current technology right now, like the IoT or the Internet of Things. Alright, so let's take it away. I got my Android mobile phone already, and when I chop this one, it will go to this interface. Let's see it. What more? I started to share my travel adventure around the world with my passion to see those old structures of the remote past, including my work adventure in my job site in Shenzhen, China. So you may ask, what about this channel? Well, I have some good stuff to share. I need to cut stuff for my backlog to fully share the art of the DR100W concept project, the hardware and the software driving it. Well, I was informed that the Intel 8051 is dead with the advent of the Arduino solution, and most of the hobbyists or even professionals jumped to the easy solution of Arduino. I even tried myself to make a project using an Arduino driving a Class D amplifier, and in fact, it's really cool. It's great. Well, this is something in my list to share as a project called DR700W Mini Class D. Watch for it, guys, and stay tuned. Well, there were drawbacks with the Arduino solution actually, which is why I'm still convinced to go ahead with my favorite MCU, the Intel 8051 core, having the industry standard micro. So I'm going to continue this project DR100W concept with the Intel 8051, and I try my best to demo and share my little knowledge about microcontrollers, how I drive the hardware using a program in basic language or maybe basic and assembly language. I wanted to tell you also that I would like to add more electronics project to this channel, not only with the Class D, the current project, which is the DR100W concept, but I would like to add also other type of amplifier like Class A, Class AB, and other amplifier. So guys, maybe you can help me to point to the right direction, and maybe you are interested on it. I try to maintain that this channel is to be ground of my adventure in electronics, yours and our adventure with the concept of DIT, do it together, where it is no longer about DIY or do it yourself, but rather DIT, do it together. We leverage collaboration and share the resources. Well, this is all about hobby for now. Well, who knows, maybe we can go further. I also build my own personal website those times that I really do not have access to YouTube, to Facebook, Dropbox, and other social media. Lastly, my Nathan baby grown up now, and he had been my best quality assurance engineer in my hobby, my long-term partner ever since he was a kid. It's great to have him in my DIY hobby. We enjoy a lot of the electronics hobby. Guys, I thank all of you for watching my videos, and especially those who subscribe. When I look back, I was quite shy those days when I started blogging. I'm glad I made it an improvement. Basically, it's YouTube molded me to be a better person, and now I can stand in front of many people with confidence. And one way to thank you is to share what I have in hobby. Looking forward for your continued support and help. Build your own amplifiers, write your own software, and build your own case, then this project might be good for you. You might like to visit my other channel, which reflect other videos and adventure which do not publish in this channel. Thank you for visiting. Bye for now, and see you in the next video to continue the DR100W concept project. Stay tuned, guys.